Hi, I am Avnish, your technical assistant and software support single point of contact from Team FirstAidEAsy. In this video, I will guide you how to install Software FirstAidEasy application on your desktop for easy accessibility and quick use. This is very helpful to auto-start up the software application while log on to your laptop or personal computer. To complete this, you follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Open your favorite browser app Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge from desktop icon and using Windows search option. Step 2. Enter software configured URL in the browser search bar and hit enter. Step 3. Now, you will see an app available icon highlighted with orange color arrow in the browser search bar. You need to click on this first and PWA rich UI screen will open on top the screen and then click install button to install it. Finally, you can check all the options in the app installed pop-up confirmation window and click on Allow button to successfully install the Software FirstAidEasy app on your laptop or computer desktop. All done. You did this successfully. To verify it, please search for the FirstAidEasy app using Windows search option and you may restart your PC. The software application will start automatically in just few seconds after your PC restart up. If you face any challenge to do this, please contact to our sales team sales@suncuresystems.com or raise a ticket on WhatsApp for quick help. If you found this helpful, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Team FirstAidEasy.